Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this sweater. So, the zipper has a nice leather handle, which is really cute. It zips to the middle over here. Let's check out the zipper. Super smooth. The pattern is also really nice. It looks really luxurious. Inner collar, cotton, and super soft. The front has this pattern, but not the sleeves or the back. And then down here, a normal pocket. And then this is what the bottom and the sleeves look like. So let me go ahead and try it on. All right, so this is the collar. See what it looks like zipped up. I always like the zip up look. Looks kind of more like classy or something like that. Nice and fitted on the shoulder, which I like. And then the pocket over here. In general, just a really nice, comfy sweater they can put on while still looking, a little bit more posh because of the pattern as well as, how it's cut, the different materials that it's made out of. It's a really nice hoodie, so to speak. So for more reviews like this, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and if you want to purchase it, the link is below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!